Hi everyone. Today in this video we are going to discuss about how to point your domain in your funnel page. Okay. So let me share my screen. Okay. So uh, as I said, we need to point our domain to your funnel page. Okay. So first thing we need to go to GoDaddy settings first. Second thing will be in a ClickFunnels page. Okay. So in a GoDaddy, you need to log in GoDaddy account in a dashboard. From the dashboard, you can have a domain name. From there, you need to come to DNS page, then manage DNS settings. Okay. So what you need to do is you have to enter your CNAME record. Okay. The CNAME record will be CNAME. So your subdomain, what is the prefix will come to your main domain. In my case, I am using a funnels.shankarprakash.com. So funnels going to be come into the CNAME record as a name. Okay. I'm going to add funnels as my name. The value should be target dot click funnels dot com. Okay. So you need to add a CNAME from the GoDaddy. Once you are done this CNAME record in the GoDaddy, we have to come to the ClickFunnels dashboard. Okay. Anyway, I will show you demo. Please stay with me. Let me clear this screen. And once you done the GoDaddy settings, we have to come into second step will be in a ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels. Okay. So in the ClickFunnels, you will land up in a dashboard. Okay. From the dashboard, in top rightmost, you may find your name. Okay. So under the name, if you are mouse over, you will have the account settings menu. Account settings. Okay. See this account settings. Once you click on it, in the left side, you will have a list of menus. In the bottom, you may find a menu for the domains. You just need to click on domains menu from there. Okay. So once you click on the domains, you will land up in a page where you will have a two options. One is for the new domain and another one is for the existing domain. Whether you want to go with the new domain means you can, if you don't have any domain as of now, then you can go for the new domain. From that you can do the registration, then you can configure. Otherwise you can go for the existing domain. But my recommendation is go for a domain broker for the domain purchase. Okay. So when you go for a add domain, option will come into the sorry, into the right side, the yellow button. Okay. It will have a two option. One is new domain and another one is what is that existing domain. Okay. So existing domain. So this is how you have to go. So in my case, I am click on the existing domain and I will enter my domain as funnels dot shankar prakash dot com. Okay. So this going to my funnel. Okay. then once you are done this, you will come into the again this page, this domain. Here you can find a list of domains. Okay, so what you need to do is, what the funnel ClickFunnels do is, we can get a SSL added to our uh, domain. Okay, so that we will get a HTTPS in front of our domain. Okay, this is important. Anyway, I will show you the demo there, you can get a clarification. Then only your funnel page working perfectly. You are not SSL enabled, then you may get some issue. Okay, let me show the demo. Okay, so I land up in DNS settings. Okay, so this is my GoDaddy account. Here I have choose my domain as a shankarprakash.com. Here I have added a CNAME. I have already added my CNAME record in the GoDaddy account. Okay, this funnels.shankarprakash.com only. This funnels is a subdomain to this domain. So let me show my page. Okay, so this is what I have added, funnels.shankarprakash.com. Okay, so this is how you need to add. Let me add another record. Yeah, it's already added. Let me cancel it and add. Yeah, so you need to select the CNAME, and here you can type as a webinar. If you want a webinar related domain, you can put it like that. As I have added a subdomain, if you want, you can point your main domain also. Okay, so target.clickfunnels.com. Once you are added, it will come like this. Okay, then what you need to do, it's over in the from the GoDaddy part. Then you need to switch into your funnel page. Let me exit from here. This page has already developed. Let me clear this one. So this is the funnels dashboard page. What I'm going to do is, what are the domains we have added as a CNAME, we are going to point in our funnel page. The final output will come like this. Whenever the user comes funnels.shankarprakash.com, it will end up to this our primary funnel page. Okay, this is my primary funnel page. Okay, I will show you. So in the top right, when you mouse over to your name, you will have a account settings. Just click on the account settings. In a left side, we have a more option. Many options are there. Come to the bottom, you will find a domains. Click on a domains. Here I have already added that, right? So in your case, you need to add new domain. Here we have two options, one for new domain and another one for existing domain. I go for existing domain. If you are, please make sure if your website version and www version means you need to stick with www. In my case, I don't want www in front of my domain, so I will put it like this: funnels.shankarprakash.com. So this is my domain for this funnel. Once you've done that, you need to come to the domains edit page. Okay, this is the domain. You can find it here. Let me edit the domain settings. Inside funnel page, come to bottom, we will have a SSL. Okay, you have to expand it. Since I added the SSL, it's coming in a check now. Otherwise, it will be add now. Add SSL in front of your domain. Then only the functionality will occur inside the funnel page. Okay, you can make sure this lock icon, and so if it is enabled, you may access through HTTPS. Okay, so this is how you need to make sure the SSL. I hope you are clear on this domain pointing into your funnel page. If you have any clarification, if you are challenging anything technically, I'm ready to help you. If you want anything need to discuss, you can reach me at shankarprakash.com. Anyway, I will share those details in the description. If you want to purchase a domain, you can use the below link to purchase the domain. Thanks for watching.